Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add custom colors to your Google Calendar events. Previously, if you wanted to use different colors for specific types of events, you had to create separate calendars. But Google has introduced an easier option that lets you assign custom colors directly when creating an event. Start by creating a new event and adding a title. Then, click on the Calendar option within the event settings. Next, look for the Color section. Here, you'll see the default colors as well as any custom labels you've already created. If you regularly have different types of events and want to organize them with specific colors, click Edit Labels. From here, you can create new labels and assign a custom color to each. For example, you could create separate labels for recording, editing, meetings, or consulting work. You can also enter a specific HEX color code if you want the color to match your brand. Alternatively, you can choose a color directly from the color wheel. Once you're happy with your selection, click Select and then Save. Now, whenever you create an event, you can choose your custom label and its assigned color. If you want to change a color later, simply right-click on the event and choose a different color or label. You can also create new labels, change existing ones, or delete labels you no longer need. And that's the easiest way to add custom colors to your Google Calendar. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.